Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter.
Hey guys, welcome back to another cleaning video, and today we are starting with my cleaning to-do list. So I'm going to be doing some deep cleaning and tackling some areas that I don't usually get around to when I'm cleaning a room. So I have this fun list that we're going to check off all through the video, and we're going to go ahead and just start with the kitchen.
But like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about the drunk nights, bragging in the glory.
So I went ahead and took one of my extra empty baskets and decided to put some of these loose pieces into there. I have measuring cups, things that go to our protein shakers and stuff like that, and they're just always messy in this drawer, so I decided to organize those and put those in my pantry.
You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You do it right. Hold me tight when I need it. And you always like what I like we know each other. But sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about.
So if you're new to my channel, I actually like to go ahead and hand wash my pots and pans. It just allows the dishwasher to do a better job at cleaning the dishes in there. So right here, I'm just filling up the sink with some dish soap, and that's what we're gonna do.
Even though I'm the one that broke us apart, yeah. Now I'm seeing her, watching you. Never felt so lonely, babe. I wanna be there next to you. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Come back to me, come back, baby. Can't hide what I feel, just want you to save me. I keep missing us.
So right here, we're gonna go ahead and put away some cleaning products I had out on the counter, and we're going to organize or reorganize my cleaning cupboard.
What I feel, just want you to save me. Come back to me.
So I do want to mention that there is a giveaway going on over on my Instagram. I got together with a few other creators here on YouTube, and we are giving away a $175 Amazon gift card. So please go to my Instagram and check out the picture of me and Ava with the Amazon boxes, and you guys can get all of the instructions on how to enter the giveaway.
Tell me, do you think back on how we parted?
So this isn't all of my cleaning products. I also have some upstairs in the laundry room, but this is mostly what I keep downstairs in the kitchen.
Said then, I never meant it. Now I'm seeing her, watching you. Never felt so lonely, babe. I wanna be there next to you. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing.
since I'm down here, we're gonna go ahead and organize my pots and pans. I really needed to do this for a while now. I've just been kind of tossing things in there. So I like to use these organizers to keep my lids, my pots and pan lids organized. I got them from Amazon. I do have them linked down in my Amazon favorites, and I actually have a lot of things throughout my house that I use in my home in my Amazon favorites if you wanted to check that out.
Missing your body. I would do anything. I would do anything for you. You know you're everything. You know you're everything to me. Spitting shade in the cold is just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do? When the flame's going high with my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. I think I'm arsenic, but you don't mind that I'm toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do? When the flame's going high with my bad patience, I hate it always falls on.
So right here, I like to wipe off these little canisters because they do get grease because they are next to the oven where I cook. And I'm not showing it here, but I'm actually going back and forth to the sink and getting the cloth soapy, so it is like a soapy wet cloth.
It's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us.
So it is about that time that I need to declutter through papers, but I don't want to lose track on what my to-do list is. I did that throughout the video. I started cleaning and picking up other things that were on the list, and I wanted to make sure I got everything done off the list. So I went ahead and put the papers away for later, but we are getting a paper shredder because you guys did recommend it, and we just need to order one. I guess I can just look on Amazon, but I will be having one soon because I know it's much safer to shred all of our old mail and junk mail.
I don't even know what to get in your head. Seeking your attention, but simple instead. 'Cause I hope you look my way, but no, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. Feeling every day like I'm going insane. 'Cause you and I are something I wish for every day. So I hope you look my way, but yeah, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. 'Cause I know I am nobody to you, and it feels just like you want me to go now. But I hope you slow it down, hope you slow it down. 'Cause what I really need is your time. So will you like me like that? Just like that. Like me like that. Just like that. Like me like that.
So right here, I went ahead and turned on Let It Go from the Frozen movie. That's what Ava wanted to listen to while we went and decluttered through her clothes. She did help me do this, so that was really awesome. She loves to donate like her toys and clothes, and that's what we're doing here.
Like me like that.
So we are missing some of the little knobs on her dresser. I do have to go ahead and screw those tight back in.
I don't even know what to get in your head. Seeking your attention, but simple instead. 'Cause I hope you look my way, but no, you didn't even.
So what we're doing here is she's taking out stuff and she's kind of seeing if it fits her. And then also we did try on a few things behind the camera where she had to take her dress off, and I'd have her try it on just because we were unsure. So one pile is in the bag, and that's what we will take to Goodwill. And then the other pile that we need to fold and hang up is building up on the right.
Yeah, and it feels just like you want me to go now, but I hope you slow it down. Hope you slow it down, 'cause what I really need is your time. So will you let me like that? Just like that. Like me like that. Just like that. Like me like that. Oh, baby, like that. Just like that. Just like that. Like me like that. Like me like that. Just like that. Slow it down. Oh, 'cause I know I am nobody to you. It feels just like you want me to go now, but I hope you slow it down. Hope you slow it down, 'cause what I really need is your time. So will you like me like that? Will you like me like that? Just like that. Just like that. Like me like that. Like me like that. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier. For you, I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier.
So we did buy some blinds for the house, and I actually bought the wrong size. So we attempted to put the blinds up here in the loft and realized that they were a little bit too big, so we have to take them back. That was a mom fail.
I think about all the years I made up, and I think I'm running out of time. Don't want a day when I say goodbye now, 'cause you leave a shiver down my spine. Don't let me fall to the ground so heavily, 'cause I recall what you go through easily. Just let me know where we head in this reverie, and I will stay. Don't mind the way I won't play. Don't like the game, 'cause I will stay.
So right here I am decluttering through Ava's clothes in her closet, and I had to wait until later because she did take a nap this afternoon. So we are back in her room and we're going through some of her clothes that are too small.
'Cause I will stay.
Right here, this was a baby shirt that she had so long ago. It was so tiny. And then she also wanted to show you how her jacket sleeves were too short for her. So you are going to see some baby stuff that I actually kept because it meant something. They had more of a meaning behind it, and that's why I had a onesie. But it said Washington Princess, and I think my mom got her that. And then my mom also got her a lot of like Seahawks gear when she was a baby, so I don't get rid of those either. So right here I'm shaking out the carpet because there is like dirt and stuff, but I can't really vacuum this shaggy carpet. It's so hard. So I shake it out really good and I just vacuum the floor.
So heavily, 'cause I recall what you go through easily. Just let me know where we head in this reverie, and I will say. Don't mind the way I won't play. Don't like the game, 'cause I will stay, and I will wait for you. 'Cause I will stay, and I will wait for you.
And here's my bucket of socks. These are the missing lost socks, and every time I do a load of laundry I like to go through them and see if there's any matches in the new load. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed that video and got tons of motivation. It's literally been an all day clean with me. If you guys stayed till the end, please go ahead and put some fall leaves down in the comments just to let me know that you guys stayed till the end. Thank you so much for that. I appreciate all your love and support. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.